Yes, it's true. I'm back again with something wonderful. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Look at what you can do. So let's create some comics together. I'm here to help you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Let's just dive in and learn how to do these amazing comics. Brilliant. I'm sure you're going to love it. So stick to the end. It's going to be fast and furious. Let's go. Link is in the description, no worries. Choose styles, you have a lot of them, just check them out. Choose the best one for you, try it out. Then check out the grids and choose one. Next, you have to write your prompt. And you have to select your character or style prompt. That's it. Just hit go. Okay. Now you can upscale it, or you can just download it as a PDF. How easy and marvelous was this? I told you. I always bring you the best free tools, so don't forget to hit the subscription button if you like the video. Do like and subscribe, that would be lovely. Thanks so much for watching and sticking to the end with me. So I'll be coming back with more amazing stuff for you and your projects. Bye bye for now.